Hi folks, and welcome back. Today I want to share something special with you. For those of you who frequent Woot.com, you may be aware of something called the Bag of Crap. Occasionally when they do Woot-offs, selling a bunch of stuff over the course of a 24-hour period, occasionally they'll put something special up. And in this case, I was able to acquire one of these bags of crap. They've progressed over the years, and they no longer send out the bags of crap in a bag. It's actually a box, but we will find a bag in here because it is a requirement. Today I want to take an opportunity. This is my first bag of crap that I've ever been able to acquire myself. They're difficult to get. I am thrilled to death to get it, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's in it. So let's go ahead and begin opening it. So I will say that even though the shipping order said that this box was 6 pounds, I weighed it in at 13.4 pounds. So I'm a little excited to see what they could have sent me. All right, first things first, I see it right on the top here, and that would be the actual bag from Woot. So I got my first official bag of crap. Thank you, Woot. All right, what else are we going to pull out here? A bunch of backups so we don't see everything in here at once. All right, first thing on the agenda, we have Cordoba safety products. Guess what, Nolan? We don't have enough of them. Have a safety vest. So I have a safety vest. I will make use of this. We'll put it in the car. Thanks very much. All right. Obviously, we would need something to hang those safety vests on, so we do have some, appears to be child-sized hangers, so we'll figure out something to do with these as well. No letter yet, unfortunately. I was kind of hoping I'd get a letter from them. Letters usually means other special things are on the way, but they're even rarer than bags of crap. I have a mouth guard. Always wanted a mouth guard. I guess I'll have to take up some sort of athletic program where I can use the mouth guard. It is also from Under Armour.
Better say, what kind of athletic events do you work?
I don't know, but let's see.
Or do you play? You always wanted one.
Molds to teeth for a tight, comfortable, custom fit. Okay, and it's microwavable.
That's how you're supposed to do it.
Should be microwavable.
Don't you boil it and then you bite onto it and then you set it?
Okay. A random hanger.
Did you bend it?
No, it's bent. You just hang it on the wall.
I thought you
and
flexed
stuff
it.
on it. So, nope. No, it doesn't bend, doesn't flex. Okay. What else do we have here? We have Casetastic Illumination series. Multiple angles. I don't know what this is. Illumination series. I can only assume it lights something for Samsung Galaxy 6 Edge. Oh, it's a case. So I have a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge case. I don't have a Samsung Galaxy, but maybe I'll find someone who does. Still digging. There's quite a bit of stuff in here, actually. Warning, keep away from small children. Zippers. I have a pack of
it's like military surplus.
looks like military surplus zippers to go on our military surplus outfits, of which we do have. So maybe we'll wear some zippers out. What else? Glue dots. No home is complete without glue dots, and we now have a package of them, so we can glue things with glue dots. Let's see what else we have. Might as well go ahead and get this big one out of the way. This is heavy. This is a top styler. I don't know what it is. Top styler. Any idea, Nolan? Okay, me either. For best results, watch this instructional DVD first. Of course, we would never do that, so. For hair, I assume that this is for hair, right, Nolan?
You got combs in it.
It's got combs and stuff. I'm assuming that this is some sort of a hair curler or styling.
There you go, Yvonne.
System for, and I'll give it to my significant other. Correct. Okay. Thanks, Woot. All right. Don't know what it is. It's in an open package. It's a bow tie. And it says, back, thanks for your order. Okay, so.
There's your letter.
All right.
Is it clip-on? Is it clip-on?
It has a little rubber band on it, so it kind of goes, I don't know what it goes on to. It might give it on, I don't know. Anyways, bow tie. A Seattle Mariners window decal.
Pretty far away from Seattle.
We are pretty far away from Seattle, the opposite side of the country. Further advanced, thinner, refined versus looks like another case for Galaxy S7 Edge. Just in case my S6 ever dies. Alright. What else do we have here? We have a miscellaneous box. It's an organizer. Nice. Okay, still digging.
That's one of those things where you flip it and try to catch it.
Oh yeah, it's one of those little game of dexterity type of things where you try to catch it. Nice solid wood. It's not plastic. I have a charging cable that will actually fit my phone. No disappointment there, Woot. Sorry. I was kind of expecting a ribbon because ribbons seem to be.
This will fit my phone too.
Ribbons seem to be in every box that I've seen online yet. So this is a best ribbon wearer.
It's not State Fair.
It's not State Fair like so many other people have gotten. I understand that there are different ones out there. So there you go. There's my ribbon. Best ribbon wearer. I have a cutting board. We like cutting boards, so we'll probably make use of this. Nice, small, light. I'm hoping dishwashable, so we're good there.
Speaking of which, you probably shouldn't be waving your knife around.
Okay, speaking of which, I can put the knife away before I hurt somebody. Here, take it. Miscellaneous magnet or sticker. I'm assuming stickers. I don't know, it looks kind of like the Mafia or something. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Alright. Okay. I have a paintbrush. Or perhaps a very long makeup brush.
For all the paint and makeup you wear.
Right.
Paint.
Okay. Let's AirHogs Connect Augmented Reality Mission Drone. Wow, that's an actual drone. That's cool. I'm looking forward to that. And apparently you fly, it looks like you fly it on a tablet or a phone. But it's a drone.
Better get your FAA license.
I have to get my FAA license now. Alright. I also was aware that there were miscellaneous cards in these shipments, so I have my cards for Christmas. Good to go. It's probably about as many as I send out now, too. Butter and chocolate. Oh, that might be the best gift yet in the Woot box. Anything to do with chocolate goes well in this house, and here's a whole cookbook on chocolate and other sweets. So we're excited about that. All right. Moen paper holder roller, satin nickel plated. So this is for, guess what this is? Because a bag of crap isn't a bag of crap unless you have something to hold the crap paper. This is a toilet paper holder. All right. Looks like another, here's a set of earbuds. I'll give these to Noel so I don't have to listen to his music much. Oh, pumpkin spice must flow. It's a hoodie. Appears to be from.
No, it's a what's it called? It's making fun of Starbucks because it's
Yes,
not
it
the
is.
Starbucks.
It's not a true Starbucks, no. But it is a hoodie. Nice little jacket here. Nice. Okay. And last but not least, I'm sure we'll put it right here. Last but not least, it is a drafter's pencil of some sort. Medium, size medium. That is it out of my Woot box. I'm quite pleased with the overall items, so I can't say that I'm overly disappointed with any of it. So if you were really trying to disappoint, you have failed miserably. But thank you very much, Woot. I appreciate it. I'll keep trying for another box and hopefully have a letter at some point. Thanks, folks. Have a good night.